I woke up late today. I woke up late today. I need some water. I need some water. I am getting ready. I am getting ready. Please wait for me. Please wait for me. I am feeling happy. I am feeling happy. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? What happened here? What happened here? I forgot my keys. I forgot my keys. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I am playing with my pet. I am playing with my pet. I will call you later. I will call you later. Please sit down. Please sit down. I am on my way. I am on my way. I like this place. I like this place. The food smells delicious. The food smells delicious. Let's try again. Let's try again. I need your help. I need your help. It's starting to rain. It's starting to rain. I am learning English. I am learning English. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? I am waiting for the bus. I am waiting for the bus. This is very easy. This is very easy. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. Please close the door. Please close the door. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. We are running late. We are running late. I can't find my phone. I can't find my phone. I enjoy reading books. I enjoy reading books. The movie was interesting. The movie was interesting. I have a lot of work. I have a lot of work. What are your plans? What are your plans? I am proud of you. I am proud of you. Let's have some tea. Let's have some tea. I am looking for my bag. I am looking for my bag. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. I need a break. I need a break. I will be back soon. I will be back soon. Please speak louder. Please speak louder. The room is clean. The room is clean. I like spending time with my family. I like spending time with my family. The children are playing. The children are playing. I am excited about tomorrow. I am excited about tomorrow. This is my favorite song. This is my favorite song. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Please be careful. Please be careful. The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your support. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.